What is up, dude? This is Shivraj Sharma and you are watching Tech Loopy. So in this video we are going to talk about 5 amazing YouTube tricks that will definitely save you time and enhance your YouTube experience. Before we go further, I want to share you some facts about YouTube. The largest audience in the world is India. Globally, more than 72 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube in 1 minute. People sit in YouTube every day and watch more than 4 billion hours of video. Let's get to the point. Our first trick is Incognito Mode. Tap your profile picture in the top right of the screen and turn on Incognito. Incognito Mode acts like you are signed out. Now everything you do while Incognito Mode is private and YouTube will not track it. If you wanna search something on YouTube in your mobile phone or others' mobile phone, you don't want to see its recommendation or just don't have time to delete your history, then this trick will definitely help you. If you are not using this feature more than 90 minutes, your incognito session will end. I want to make sure that you are hidden from YouTube, or you can say Google account, but you are not hidden from ISPs, that is that is Jio and Airtel. People do mistake, guys. Let's jump to the second trick. Sometimes something comes up in the search result that you don't want. Let's take an example. If I search for the car, then you can see a lot of toys car also coming in the search result, which I don't want to see. So all we have to do is go to search bar and search car minus toys, and now you can see only real cars comes up. Let's bounce to the third trick. That is all in title colon. Whatever we write after all in title colon should be in the title in the search result. Now let's take an example. If we search OnePlus quick review after all in title colon, then the search result will contain all the words that you have written in the search bar. Here you can see search results match to the title. Our fourth trick is to listening to YouTube video in audio format. If we listen to YouTube video, then screen is always on, which consumes lot of battery. If you buy YouTube Premium, then you have to pay 139 rupees per month, and that is not affordable for some users. Well, this is why Shivraj is here to solve your problem. Now first of all, copy YouTube videos link and paste it on your Chrome browser, and from top right corner turn on desktop side, and now go home screen and continue video from notification bar, and now video is playing in audio format even if you lock your mobile phone. Let's jump to the final trick, that is schedule notification. YouTube sends you the notification whenever your subscribed channel upload a new video or like comment. If this distracts you from your studies or something else, then you can simply set a timer whenever you want to get notification. For this, all we have to do is go to YouTube setting, notification, and then schedule digest, and set your favorite time whenever you want to see notification. So this was for today, guys. Sorry, wait, the video is not over yet. Here is a bonus tip. When you have to watch video in landscape mode, you just have to slide up from the bottom of the video. Make sure your YouTube is updated. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like our hard work. If there is anything missing in the video, then please comment. We welcome your suggestions, and make sure you have destroyed our subscribe button. Thank you.